Okay, for this video, take a look at the object focus and circumstantial focuses in conjugation for dili and wala. I didn't include the actor focus affixes because those are just too easy. So these two focuses I wanted to examine a little closer, so to speak. With wala, right? With wala, we have just look at the affixes, right, for the sentences. That's what I want you to focus on. So with wala, first sentence we have what nila basaha ang libro. Okay, now look at basaha. Okay, and what basaha again. It's conjugated in the absolute undefined using the imperative. Okay, of the object focus. And next sentence, what ba mo mapasa sa dalan? What ba mo mapasa sa dalan? Y'all can't pass through y'all can't pass through the road, the street, right? Ma again, ma with the wa, okay? Ma with the wa. And the next one, wala nako ihatag. Look at e, okay? E and wala. Just look at how you can use it with the imperative to express absolute undefined, okay, in the aspect. And then the last one is ay what na ko tudloi, nakilimot ko. Hey, I didn't teach him, or I didn't teach it because I forgot, right? Tudloi is that imperative again in the circumstantial focus. Tudloi, right? And it's okay to use that because it allows it with wala. Wala allows it for this. It corresponds with wala is that tudloi, that e ending, the a ending, the e or he, a or ha, and the ma ending, the ma prefix and the e prefix, they all correspond with wala. You can all use them with wala. Notice how none of them expresses the completed or incepted aspects, affixes, okay? None of them do. And again, with this video, I just want you to focus on the conjugations, okay? That's the important thing. The conjugations that correspond with wala and dili respectively. Now, on the delete side, right? On the delete side, we have di kahatagan og kwarta, right? You won't be given money. You will not be given money. So di, right? Di kahatagan og kwarta. Look at hatag. Hatag is conjugated with the an affix because di can take it. Dili can take it, right? Dili and an. The next sentence, we have dili na ko buhaton kapoy na, right? Dili na ko buhaton kapoy na. I'm not gonna do it. I'm tired, man. On endings with dili can take the on endings, okay? And then last sentence we have dili nato madawat ni, okay? We can't accept this. We cannot accept this. Ma, again, that ma prefix with dili is abilitative, right? Dili can take that ma prefix. Dili nato madawat ni. For these to look at how buhaton takes in the future, right? The incepting and the incomplete on dili can take it versus this unending, which is the imperative, right? This unimperative is in the circumstantial that dili can also take. So just make sure you keep a close observation with the tenses, right? Because you already know which tenses to use with dili and wala when you're negating, right? And again, the key rule is do not use completed or incepted affixes, okay? Only use incomplete or incepting affixes for both dili and wala. And within those set of affixes, you need to decide whether or discern whether the affix is appropriate for dili or appropriate for wala, okay? So those are the key takeaway points for these. I don't know if there's anything else here that I want to explain, but these were just examples, again, with the negatives. And this probably concludes our negative series. Most of it is just, understanding the usages. With wala again and dili, just look at the word order. As long as they are marked, you can move them around. But also keep in mind that, remember, Cebuano has that verb initial, verb subject object, that verb predicate initial sentence structure. So it's going to want to have that better conversational flow of that sentence structure.